Want to predict your business's future? Here's how AI and predictive analytics can help you make better and smarter business decisions and stay ahead of the competition. My name is Carl Ye, and I'm the Chief AI Officer with 0to60.ai. My goal is to help people and businesses find the real and tangible benefits of AI through strategy, education, and implementation. So predictive analytics uses historical data, algorithms, machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes. Combine it with AI, you can get deeper insights and more accurate predictions. And this could be used across various industries like retail, healthcare, manufacturing, construction, and so on. Part of the holy grail of predictive analytics is knowing what your customers want before they do. So here's some benefits. Staying ahead of market trends and adapting your strategies. Preventing stockouts and reducing your excess inventory. Tailoring your marketing to individual customer preferences. Optimize your resources and reduce costs. Here's a couple examples. The first one is the Starbucks Smart App. The app looks at what people have bought before, what people who have bought similar things have bought, and then makes recommendations. This significantly increases personalization, customer loyalty, and therefore drive sales. And the second one is Amazon, doing real-time price changes and suggesting products. Amazon uses predictive analytics to adjust pricing in real time and show people things they might want to buy. It looks at what you've bought before and people with similar buying habits have bought, and really just helps make Amazon shopping a lot easier. So how does your business get started? Here's a really brief high-level overview of what your business can do. There will be costs in terms of time, money, and resources, but there's definite payoff. So the first one is choosing the right tools. Explore tools like IBM SPSS, Microsoft Azure, H2O.ai, Google Analytics Cloud, Altair RapidMiner, Alteryx, and many others. They offer comprehensive analytic capabilities. Remember though, you gotta choose a solution that's able to be customizable for your specific business needs. Next is data collection. Collect data that's relevant to your business, including sales records, customer interactions, and supply chain metrics. You want to ensure a unified data management system with data lakes and warehouses to centralize and organize this data. Remember to clean and pre-process your data. You want to remove inaccurate, duplicate, and inconsistent data. Number 3 is model building. You can either build your own AI models or fine-tune them. It's probably cheaper to fine-tune. Now, if you plan to build them, you can use machine learning algorithms like regression, classification, clustering to build your models. Using platforms like TensorFlow and Scikit-learn really offer powerful libraries for these purposes. Now you want to train and or fine-tune your model on historical data. You feed your data into the model so it can learn and make accurate predictions. Then you want to validate your model with a separate data set to ensure accuracy. Then you want to adjust and fine-tune if it's necessary. Number 4, implementation and deployment. You want to ensure your trained model integrates with current business processes and workflows. Also, automate data input and model updates to keep predictions accurate and up to date. And you want to monitor your model performance and adjust accordingly. Use performance metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall to measure the effectiveness. Finally, continuous improvement. You want to update your models with new data to maintain accuracy. Implement a feedback loop where model predictions are compared with actual outcomes and learnings are used to refine the model. And make sure to stay informed. Keep up with the latest developments in AI and predictive analytics. AI and predictive analytics can have significant impacts on your business. It can transform how you forecast trends, manage inventory, and understand customer preferences. If you have the data and are already using some of the tools I mentioned, you really should get started today. So what are other ways businesses can use AI and predictive analytics to make an impact?